Actually, that is more or less the idea of IMS. So you have this core, but the applications can be triggered from the core. So there is an incoming service request. The CSEF analyzes the service request. The CSEF goes and queries the HSS and finds a match for a service request. And then the CSEF triggers or shoots the service request towards the specific application server that will serve that request. And from that point on, the application server takes control of the code. And the application server can trigger other actions beyond that initial trigger from the IMS core. So the idea is that those application servers can be controlled not only by the operator can provide its own services, but there can be other content or service providers at the application level, right?
This application server should be deployed inside the premise of the operator?
No, not necessarily.
IP?
It's IP. There has to be IP connectivity. So the application server receives a SIP invite, and then the application server does what he wants. There is only, the rule is when you are talking to the IMS core, you speak this specific SIP flavor, which is called ISC, which stands for IMS Service Control. So, which is what the BEA server does or the Glassfish server does. They speak this SIP dialect, which is called ISC, right, with the core. But behind the application server, you can do whatever you want. And to have this ISC interface up and running, you need IP connectivity or a secure channel.
But this application server has to be logically in the network that belongs to the operator.
No, I mean logically with IP connectivity, but not physically. So the application server can be at home if you want. You just need secure IP connectivity with the IMS core. Right? That's it. But it can be in a data center.
I remember when I developed this application on top of a 4BL logic server to be deployed on Telmex. At one point in the application, I will have to create a call transfer, and I have to. I remember I have to send the invite request for the outbound call to a CSEF, something like that.
To the core, to the IMS core.
To some element in the core. I don't remember exactly which one, but.
Yeah,
so I imagine. So I thought it. Oh, so and the application will have to be somehow inside the network that.
But that would defeat.
It should be reachable.
Yeah, that would defeat the whole purpose. I mean, the whole thing about IP is routing, and you can route from anywhere to anywhere. And obviously, you can put you have firewalls and NATs and all sorts of stuff in between. But if you make it an obligation to be physically in their building, in their site, you can forget about the whole project. It's not going to work because people. It's just way too complex. Put your machine in there, all the security clearances, then you won't be able to create an ecosystem of interesting services. You can just forget about that. So and it's not necessary either. I mean, there's so much security technology out there to make sure that okay, you register with us. Okay, you need to fix IP, and you can go in.
Actually.